What's going on, guys? Late start today, vlog time. We don't really have much going on today. We got a Christmas Eve dinner to go to tonight. Isaya. Last time we went there, we didn't really do a very in-depth review, so we're gonna try to handle that today. But right now, we're gonna go Swadee Kap. Go get some drinks and check out the rest of the hotel, I guess. Let's go. This is my second time staying at this hotel. I don't think I've ever actually gone out to the pool. Let's go see. Actually, I haven't been out there. We're just out here hanging out on the pool deck while they make our room up. Some beer.
Make up room.
Some satay.
Make up.
They're making our room up.
I know, but that's how they say it. Make up room.
Oh.
So that's how they say it on the door. Make up room.
Well, so that was pretty interesting. I don't know if you guys watched yesterday's episode where we went to Penmark, but the dude Derek that we met there, we just ran into at the pool here, and we just had this long conversation about things to do here in Thailand and Pattaya. I think we're gonna actually take some of his advice.
Right there.
And oh yeah, let's go. And check some stuff out. Head off to dinner. Isaya Siamese Club. Let's go. Oh, look, we so fresh. We so clean. So we're here at this new bar soup. Downstairs here at the Hyatt Regency. Apparently it's brand new. Having some pre-dinner drinks. So I'm sitting here at this this new bar soup place, and I'm looking at the beers that they have and what countries they represent. I'm like, all right, you know, Asahi, Japan, not bad. San Mig, Philippines, not bad. Corona, Mexico, not bad. Peroni, Italy, not bad. And then America, Budweiser, oh, America. Hey guys.
You guys look great.
Hi Stella. Hello.
Hi.
Hi Stella.
Hey, you look great.
Swadee Kap. Hello, Jack.
Hi, Jack. Yay.
You ready to be on YouTube again?
Yes. How you? You okay?
Well, that concludes Christmas dinner 2022. I've been calling that place Isaya for like the entire day, and then we got there. I'm like, this isn't Isaya. Blue Elephant. That's what it is. Blue Elephant.